So let's start with the overview of the VideoScribe. So if you allow me to go to the previous page, so on this, when you open or log in your VideoScribe account, you will see such this kind of interface. You can see it has the sort order. I can sort my videos through it, how I have created my work, or I can make it in ascending or descending order. And I can create new files. I can load my recent subscribes. I can load my local subscribe which I have saved on my drive. I can access my online subscribe. I have not been working on any online VideoScribe page, so it is not showing any kind of video here. And templates for the VideoScribe. I have not purchased any kind of templates for the VideoScribe, so it is not connected with the cloud server. So we will be working with our recent subscribes and local subscribe, which we will be creating through the create new subscribe. If you look at this bottom of your page, you can click on the settings. Here you can adjust the language, what kind of language you want to use in this software, and you can make save settings. This will emergency backup. It will be creating your files. If you forget to save your files here, it will automatically be saving your files. And this is the by default time for transition from one picture to the other, one scene to the other scene, and one picture to the other picture. I am using this as a 0.2 seconds, but this time depends upon our script. What is our script? Maybe it might be possible that you will be using 0.0 seconds setting. You will be using any kind of setting depending upon your script. What is the script? We will get into it later when we will be developing or designing our very basic video scripts. So this is the pause time. Again, this is the transition time from one frame to the other frame. This is pause time. If you want to add some delay, you can simply add delay through this one. And maximum draw time, if you are including any drawings or you want to draw your object, so it will take 1 second by default to draw any your drawing. And you can include image quality, so we can use up to 4000 pixel points quality. As you will increase the pixel quality, it will take more time on the rendering of your videos, and it will make huge videos more than 200 MBs, depending upon the length of your video. By default I use 1400 pixels and it works fine for me. I will show you some of my projects which I have created in it. So these are the basic user interface settings and user preferences. So these are my settings. I usually work on these. So let me take you back to the overview. And in this we can import video subscribe files. If you have been working on any other system or you have saved your files in any other computer or any other software, you can simply import those subscribe to work on these. So let's start our new video scribe. I will simply click on the icon new video scribe and this window will show up. You can see here I can simply manually save my files. So these are disabled at this time because I have not imported any kind of image. When we will be working on those images, it will show here. We can add subtitles here. We can add scribe music from these libraries. These are the music libraries. We will see detailed version of the VideoScribe library and how we can add voiceovers in it. Then I will be explaining this kind of stuff. So this is the library which contains the built-in music for our VideoScribes. This here is for the microphone for subtitles. If we want to include, sorry, not subtitles, if we want to include any voiceovers, we can simply record our voiceovers here, or we can import our mp3 voiceovers if we have been working in Adobe Audition or Audacity. We will get into it later in the next videos as well. We can change the background color. So let's say that I want to keep it green. So I have these texture here. So when I click, so it will change its color into the other frame. And we can select our hand options. You can select it on any image, but by default it will take these. So I usually prefer not to use any hand. but you can simply use it hand and it will draw your images in this form. Okay, so on next, from here we can play it from start, and from this we can play from the last scene, and from this button we have to we can download our video scribe. But it is saying that please add at least one element to your canvas, because my canvas is empty, I have not any imported. So this was all about the overview of VideoScribe. What is the interface of VideoScribe? What kind of features it has? So I hope I tried to explain each and everything. If you need to ask any other question, you can simply leave it or ask me in the comments. In the next video, we will be developing our very basic VideoScribe. I will import an image or graph or any text, and I will show you how you can make VideoScribe from it.